Sustainability is a huge beast as you know. It can cover everything from water to energy to carbon. Grove Co, what we're doing specifically is focusing on the plastic that gets into our homes and therefore into our systems, and you've even heard into our bodies, and it's just a horrible story. So trying to eliminate as much plastic in our household items, and particularly single-use plastic, because we've recently made a lot of progress as consumers of eliminating our straws and our plastic shopping bags. But when we look under our kitchen sinks, there's just a lot of plastic under there that's just really unnecessary. So that's our mission, is to be able to let her, but it's mostly her, do a small bit to be able to reduce the amount of plastic that ends up in our oceans, and therefore in our bodies and in our fish and everywhere.